I made these Oreo love bug cookies for my column for Low Country Weekly last week, and they are too cute not to share on my cooking show. So I'm going to show you how I made them. With just a few ingredients, you take Oreos, dip them in red candy melts, sprinkle them and put little eyeballs on them. It's very cute. I'm going to show you. I used dark chocolate Oreos. You can use the ones with the white filling, and if you're lucky enough, at Valentine's Day they often have the ones with the red filling, and those are really cute as well. So all I'm going to do is just take some red candy melts, which is basically white chocolate, and I'm going to stick them in the microwave for about 30 seconds, stir them, 30 more seconds and stir them, and keep repeating the process until they're melted. So the candies are all melted, and now I'm going to do is take an Oreo, dip it in about 3/4 of the way, shake off any excess, and then place it on a baking rack. Then I have some cute little Valentine's sprinkles. Just going to sprinkle those on top. You want to work pretty quickly so that the icing, or so that the candy melts don't harden. So let's get some of those guys up there. Do the sprinkles. I just think it's such a cute name with the love bugs. More. And you just want to keep repeating this. Don't melt too much of the candy melts in the beginning. You can always melt a few more because you want them to stay pretty wet for dipping. I'm going to keep dipping the cookies in the candy melts. But I want to take a break to show you how to apply the eyes. So I have these cute little eyeballs, and you can buy them at pretty much any little store that has cake decorating supplies. And you want to put the 2 eyes on the chocolate part of the cookie. And that's what turns them into the bugs. And this is messy for me. So I'm just using a little toothpick, and just keep repeating, and you'll get your cute little love bugs. Anyway, I thought this was just a really cute and fun Valentine idea that you can do with your children or your grandchildren, or you can do for your boyfriend or your husband, and it's neat. Happy Valentine's Day. If you'd like to see more recipes like this, please subscribe. For complete ingredients and cooking instructions, and to purchase cookbooks, visit cateringbydebbicovington.com.